Hello everyone, and welcome to this video, which is a part of the Onboarding Center YouTube series that we are creating for EqHub. So my name is Lars Ole, and today I have Trond Even with me.
Yes, my name is Trond Even Dagsvik, and I work as a consultant for Offshore Norge. My primary task is to help in onboarding the equipment suppliers and the manufacturers.
Yes. So today in this video, we will show you how to search for existing tech numbers. So without further ado, the floor is yours, Trond Even.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, I will now demonstrate how to find equipment with as a manufacturer or supplier role, will deliver and transmit and the equipment already is registered in EqHub. I will also talk a little bit about the product typical information and product individual information. I will not get into how to register new equipment in EqHub. This will be covered in another video. Well, I'm a manufacturer or supplier, and I have received a purchase order with specification from a customer through a contractor or directly from an operator. So what do I do? First, you decide which equipment you want to deliver according to the specification. Then you log into EqHub and check if the equipment is already there or not. In this demonstration, the equipment is already in place in EqHub. You have several search options available. The most used are search by part number or manufacturer. So if I go to product search, I can write Rosemount, the manufacturer, and I want to deliver a transmitter, and the system search for the information that is registered according to the Rosemount as a manufacturer. So today I want to deliver a temperature transmitter, and I want to deliver it for model 644. And as you can see here, is 27 different variants of this model. And you see here on the right side, you will see the EqHub approved, and that means that it's approved for all the operators on the Norwegian shelf. So today I want to deliver this part number, and I just look up to the tag number, and then you will see all the information that is registered. So here you have an overview of the tag number. That's the manufacturer Rosemount and the part number, and you have the class for the equipment. You will also find properties, all the technical values, that is metadata and can be uploaded to the operator's system or the contractor. You will also have the document that is uploaded to this tag number, and this is according to NOSOC SET 018. And here you have the possibility to look up or to download the different document if you need. So here is the document and the certificate for this one. So this is one way to search. This was by manufacturer, and the other way to search is through a part number. And so what you do is you just type your part number into the search field, and the system will look up and see if this is registered before or not. So here it come up again, and you have, as we showed earlier, all the information available. So what you do as a manufacturer now, you only take this tag number and you cross-reference this into tag index list, where you have the tag number, you have the class, you have the manufacturer and the part number, and you simply just put in the tag number. And that means that you have delivered all the product typical information. So what is product typical and what is product individual? Product typical information is normally described in the requirement from the operators. They tell which information should be in EqHub and which information should be submitted to the contractor or operator directly. Most of the requirements are approximately the same as you find in the NORSOK Z018. And then this will be find available at the tirkolrate.no in the internet. So here is an example for a temperature transmitter. So you see here, you have the product typical information that is required, and you have all this mandatory documentation that should be delivered according to the requirements. And you also have some conditional information if the project asks for it. So the product typical information should be entered into EqHub without any references to tag or project and so on. The product individual information is delivered directly to the project. So if the project asks for a calibration certificate, you deliver it to the project. The project are not supposed to go in and approve the information from the tag number and the product typical information. This is approved by what we call certified verifier that work for offshore Norway. And when they have been through the information and checked that everything is according to the requirement, then it's approved. And we have what you can see on this tab, we have a verification history, what has happened from the information was put into the system until it's approved. So again, all product typical information should be uploaded directly to EqHub. You are not supposed to deliver that to the contract with the front pages and tag references and so on. There are some differences when you come to manual valve, for instance, because you have requirement for from the operators that you have to deliver a GIA drawing that contains VDS references and so on. So then you have to have this GIA drawing delivered and approved by the project. But when you put it into the EqHub, you don't have any tag references, only references to the operator and the operator's VDS. So the operator can use the drawing across his company. So summarize product typical information directly into EqHub and then cross-reference to tag or to purchase order. It should not be pre-approved by the contractor.
Yes, thank you so much, Trond Even, for giving us this demo. And as always, you can reach us through support@eqhub.no on email, or you can follow us on LinkedIn, which is the company page EqHub on LinkedIn. And also feel free to explore eqhub.no as it's readily available for anyone wanting to use it. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.
Bye-bye.